LGBTQIA++++. Kali ini gua bukan mau membahas Sato Sugu ataupun ikon lesbian favorit generasi Alpha, Jojo Siwa yang tiba-tiba selfie abis bersetubuh dengan cowok. Lesbian udah punya pacar cowok sebelum GTA 6. I just don't see right. Punya pacar sebelum gua punya suami yang mukanya kayak Parkeso atau minimal kayak Cho Sang-woo. I just don't see right. Kenapa? Nope, gue bukan mau membahas mereka, melainkan Lily Tino. Di gigi ada kailan nggak? Mata kutek ada hijau-hijau tadi abis makan. Oh iya, aman. Lily Tino. Orang Indonesia tuh kalau kita salah sebut gitu ya, anak SMA dipanggil bunda, palingan mereka, ih aku masih sekolah tahu. They just let go. Nah kalau Lily Tino ini ngambeknya ngalahin milenial yang dipanggil tante. Sumpah demi apapun, gue ketemu belasan milenial. I'm not even exaggerating. Gue udah ketemu banyak sekali milenial yang tiba-tiba nyari validasi sendiri gitu. Kayak tiba-tiba dia ngomong sendiri kayak, aku tuh sering dipanggil anak kecil tahu. Ih orang-orang tuh ngiranya aku masih SMA. Tell me, ini nggak cuma gue doang, but your experience it too. Sumpah milenial itu pasti nyari validasi kalau mereka tuh masih mood. Oh my gosh, alright yo. Kalau gue sebagai Gen Z handal dan mempesona dari umur 17, muka gue cepet tua sih. I'ma show you this. Oh my gosh, lu mau lihat gak muka gue pas lagi foto foto kartu di sekolah SMA?
Oh my god.
Mama. Tahu nggak Ma, aku dulu makeup kayak gini tahu nggak? Ini masih di SMA ini. Damn, what do I look like this before? But hey, salmon DNA gitu ya dan kawan-kawannya di klinik. Nah, disinilah harusnya ada masukan endorsan. Lily Tino adalah seorang influencer transgender yang problematik karena dia di-ban dari Disneyland. Is he really? Kita lihat aja langsung videonya.
So last year I made a video that a lot of people got upset by where I talked about some things in Disneyland. A lot of y'all thought that video would get me banned from Disney, so let's see if that's true. I'm at the Disney World entrance about to try and get in, so let's see if that video really did get me banned. I paid for a hotel and the tickets, so it would be really unfortunate if that happened at this point. It's not a very long line to get in. Sweat on the brow. That's how I'm nervous. It's exciting. I love Disney World. Okay, so I just beep it here.
Yeah.
Put the finger there. Oh, further in. I'm allowed in? I'm not banned from Disney.
No, you're not.
Wow. Huge news. Thank you. Y'all. I'm back. I'm back, baby. You can't keep me out of Disney.
Never mind, dia nggak di-ban. Tapi memang dia pernah dicap ban karena sebelumnya ada ceritanya nih. Oke, jadi Lily sebelumnya itu udah pernah ke Disneyland dan dia itu bikin video. Gue punya sih videonya, nanti I'll show you again. Dia tuh di videonya punya 2 cake pops dan 1 coklat marshmallow sticks gitu kan. Nah terus itu 3 coklat dia gabungin deh tuh menjadi bentuk apa? Bentuk burung. Ya emangnya masalah? Kayak maksudnya nggak juga sih. It's just a harmful joke. Gue pun juga pas lagi bikin kolak biji salak nggak sengaja apa nggak sengaja sih? Sengaja ya bikin bentuk burung gitu kan, tapi ya udah, it be childish as hell. But tapi gini deh, dia sembari ngejelasin gender surgery atau operasi gender ke anak-anak. What? Kalian bisa lihat dan dengar ya bahwa dia itu menjelaskan pakai bahasa bayi, seakan-akan target audiensnya itu adalah anak-anak yang ingin tahu tentang operasi gender atau transisi. And also dia juga mention bahwa marshmallow sticknya dia itu bakal dimasukin gitu, dilipet dan diubah menjadi tunnel.
I'm gonna get banned from Disney. I swear we're about to get banned from Disney. Last summer, I got my cake pops removed, and the plan up until recently was to get my marshmallow wand reconfigured into a marshmallow tunnel. Unfortunately, a few weeks ago, I noticed some hair regrowth on my marshmallow wand. That's bad because the outside of the wand is what becomes the inside of the tunnel, so you don't want hair growing there. Fingers crossed. Oh, good.
Dan akhirnya dia jadi rame lah kan di TikTok. I think view-nya itu sampai 10 million atau 20 million. Begitupun juga di Twitter. Yes, gue masih sebut itu Twitter, bukan X. Who is X? Nah, gue juga unfortunately nggak menemukan bukti bahwa dia katanya di-ban dari Disneyland. Ataupun kayak pihak Disneyland ada kayak ngeluarin sebuah video. Lily Tino is banned from Disneyland. Nggak ada. Tapi comment sectionnya itu said so. Dan bahkan Lily pun juga bilang kalau dia ke-ban. But then dia mau tunjukin kan. Well, there he is. Nah, mungkin beberapa dari kalian tuh nggak tahu Lily Tino itu siapa. Apakah dia viral karena kasus Disney ini kasus. Udah lumayan terkenal agak lama. Coba like 2024, mungkin 2023. Pokoknya dia terkenal transgender problematic dan yang sering ngambek lah. Alasan dia sering ngambek itu karena dia sering di misgender. Apa itu misgender? Ketika bapak-bapak dipanggil om. Lah emangnya salah? Mas, salah. Abang, salah. Papi, Toji. In summary, rangkumannya tentang TikTok dia itu adalah
I use she, her pronouns. I'm not sir.
Oh, so sorry.
Yeah, like it's like a knife in the heart. Yeah, I'm just gonna go. Understood.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Not.
I'm so sorry. I apologize.
It's just always like a knife. It always hurts. Thank you. Did you call me sir? Not sir. Not sir. The guy who dropped the food off, he called me sir twice in a row. Yeah, you're a coward. Come on over. Say what you gotta say to me. Oh, you don't want to call me a man to my face? What do you gotta say about transgender people?
I didn't know you were trans.
Yeah, go ahead.
I didn't know you was trans.
Go ahead.
I did not know this man was trans.
dan ya itulah komplikasi lagi. Nah ya itu dialah kompilasi yang gue kasih lihat ya kan. Sekalian juga watch time gue lebih panjang. Iya gue juga lupa intronya. I know. Intro di tengah-tengah nggak apa-apa lah ya. Apalagi yang OG subscribers pasti senang. Kalau yang orang baru kayak langsung jangan dislike lah. Please let me do my intro. Walaupun agak random ditaruh di tengah. Hey guys, Vegets, apa kabar? How are you? Hari ini welcome to Shemerica atau paranormal. It just be horror in here. And it's been a while. Gue udah lama juga nggak upload. A lot of things happen. Terus gue jadi kayak vlog-vlog orang luar gitu ya. A lot of things happen. It's for my mental health. Yang kayak gitu-gitu kan kalau orang bule. For my mental health. I've been in a dark place. Ya. Iya sih. Enggak. Gue itu lama karena gue juga sakit lama. But I'm healthy again. Lanjut ke Lily Tino. Ya udah kan dia tuh kan sering diperlakukan salah seperti itu. Menurut dia ya diperlakukan salah. Menurut dia. Nah ketika dia ke Disney. Gue balik lagi ya ke Disney ini. Of course dia itu di misgender lagi. Dan gue yakin 100% Mas sama mbak waiternya itu nggak ada maksud. Gak ada maksud untuk nyela. Mereka tuh spontan aja.
That is fancy looking. Cool.
The bottom is from Thailand.
Coconut bread from Thailand.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Yes,
Ma'am.
No, sorry, my bad. And the middle one is from India. It's the papadom or the gingerbread chutney.
Okay.
And the third is from Brazil. It's a cheese bread with the guava sauce.
Thank you. Just like totally sucks the joy out of this bread tower. Makes me want to immediately like leave. Because I no longer feel like safe here. It's like, oh, my guard now has to be up. I'm not going to enjoy this bread as much because my guard is up. We should be able to go places and not have to worry. I don't think I really want this bread tower, actually. I think I'd rather have the check, if that's
Yes,
okay.
ma'am, yeah.
I think that's the training. We're supposed to say friend or just not use gendered language. It's like a pretty big thing that Disney has done. Nothing was wrong with bread. I just don't want it anymore.
Apa dia tadi ngomong I'll no longer feel safe in this place, atau yang artinya kayak gue udah gak berasa aman lagi di tempat ini perkara dipanggil sir. Nah sekarang di comment sectionnya itu a lot of people say like hey you're doing too much, lo agak lebay. Banyak representatif juga yang dari LGBT di comment section yang gak suka juga sama Lily Tino karena mereka ini melihat Lily Tino itu jadi orang yang membuat satu payung LGBT menjadi toksik. Bukan menjadi toksik, gimana bahasanya ya? Gara-gara Lily Tino, orang-orang jadi bakal view LGBT itu setoksik itu. Makanya mereka pun yang LGBT pun tidak suka dengan Lily Tino. I'm gay and this video makes me super uncomfortable. My husband and I go to Disney every year and it's people like this, yang seperti Tino maksudnya mereka, who give the gay community a bad rap, reputasi yang buruk. I'm shocked, it is so disturbing. Ternyata chapternya itu belum selesai sampai sana aja. Dari yang katanya di band Disney World, terus jadi misgender di restoran Disney, dan yang selanjutnya adalah chapter kamar mandi Disneyland. Oke, dia nggak dimasalahin sih, but the fact that he challenged it. Karena dia tahu kalau di Florida, rulesnya itu lebih agak konservatif. Nggak sekonservatif Texas sih, tapi it's conservative enough lah. Lily Tino, dia bodoh amat. Ya lu lihat sendiri lah nanti di videonya. Dan dia mau ngetes nih, kalau gua pipisnya berdiri, bakal ada yang wondering nggak ya? Karena kan kalau pipis berdiri tuh bunyi kucur. Padahal dia bisa aja ya pipisnya itu di pinggiran bowlnya gitu kan. Tetapi dia sengaja and wonder ada yang bakal keganggu nggak ya?
I've made it into Disney World. I don't really know what the deal is with bathrooms. You know, Florida is really conservative. I don't know what the rules are. Trans women are allowed to be in women's bathrooms, but I'm about to go and use the bathroom because I have to tinkle. If I get stopped, I guess. But I'm a woman, so I'm going to use the women's bathroom, and being in Florida or being in California or wherever isn't going to stop me. So I will report back in a minute once I have hopefully tinkled without issue.
3 minutes later.
That went as well as it could have gone. No one gave me any weird looks. Definitely no one stopped me. I walked in, I found a stall. I peed standing up, which is something I'm sometimes a little self-conscious about with the sound. Think, oh, is there someone peeing standing up there? But you know what? I peed standing up and it was fine. And then I washed my hands and I left.
Lo bayangin kalau ada bocil sama ortunya masuk ke kamar mandi cewek dan ketemu Lily. Bagian di kamar mandi itu bikin gua enek. Il tuh ya bisa sakit atau enek ya udah lah ya translatean gue emang dasar. Gue bakal kesel banget sih kalau anak gue yang umur 8 tahun ada di sana di waktu yang bersamaan. Better yet, kalian tahu nggak sih dia selfie juga di kamar mandi itu dan ada strangers di belakangnya. Literally dia di kamar mandi perempuan. Ironically, perkara dia dipanggil sir, dia merasa kayak I don't feel safe anymore in this place. Nggak berasa aman. Lah di foto ini dia dalam kamar mandi cewek dan bikin cewek merasa nggak aman. So yes, that is Lily Tino. Mungkin uang TikTok itu kencang, mungkin endorsannya kencang, I don't know, cause he been doing that. Dan orang-orang juga nge-conclude kalau dia itu rage bait, memang sengaja nyari sensasi. Ya biasalah ya emang orang-orang yang viral tuh kan, so he took it to another level. Dan kalau kalian mau lihat bocil siapa mah? Dan ya walaupun tadi gua ngenyek millennial, cause like why not? I love y'all, tapi kalian juga sering ngenyek Gen Z. But again, I love y'all. Karena di generasi millennial itu gak ada this kind of bullshit. Well I guess this is it y'all for today's Welcome to Shamerica. Next, it's going to be kisah serem Kastil Sasha. Don't worry about it. Goodbye.